Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass! Today's video, opposite words.
Hello little explorers! Today we're going on a super fun adventure to learn about opposites. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at this big elephant. He is so big. And here is a small mouse, so tiny. Look, big, small. Wow, look at this cheetah. It is so fast. And here comes a slow little turtle, taking its time. Look, fast, slow. Oh, the sun is so happy, but the little cloud looks sad. Oh, look. Happy and sad. Look at the balloon. It's going up, up, up. And the leaf falls down, down, down. Look, up and down. Yay! We've learned so many opposites today. Let's say them all one more time. Big, small, fast, slow, happy, sad, up and down. Great job, everyone. See you next time for more fun adventures. Bye-bye.